Did you know one of history's most daring criminals escaped prison twice and lived as a celebrity fugitive for 36 years? In 1963, Ronnie Biggs and his gang executed the perfect crime with military precision. They cut phone lines, used fake signals to stop the Royal Mail train, and stole £2.6 million in just 15 minutes. But they made one fatal mistake. 400 officers launched a massive investigation, searching every lead across Britain. Then they found it. Fingerprints on a Monopoly board at their hideout. Biggs was caught, sentenced to 30 years in prison. 15 months later, he escaped using a rope ladder, then fled to Brazil. For decades, he taunted authorities from his beach paradise, selling interviews and posing for photos. The train robber had become a celebrity criminal. In 2001, sick and broke, he voluntarily returned to British prison seeking medical care. The most famous fugitive in history had finally surrendered,